Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change password on iQIYI. If you want to change your password on iQIYI account, first of all, open up the iQIYI app on your mobile device and make sure to log in. Once logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner and then from the Me option, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account and Security. Now, look for the Password button and tap the Edit button right next to it. You will need to verify your email first before changing your password. Click on Send Verification Code. Now, enter the verification code that you received via email. Open up your email app and once you receive a code from iQIYI, make sure to type in this code inside the iQIYI verification box. After typing it down, you will then be taken to a next page from where you can set up a new password. Type down a password in the first tab. On the next field, re-enter the password once again and finally click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on iQIYI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.